Hi viewers, welcome to Belper River Gardens in Belper. Now that building there is an old cotton mill. I think it's called Strutts North Mill, I'm not sure. Anybody know? Let me know in the comments below. Right, we'll just get the mobility scooter ready and we'll have a little tour of the gardens and the waterfalls and anything else we can find. Come with me for a little ride, yeah? All the ducks are laying down at the moment, sunbathing. Can you blame them? It's a nice day for sunbathing ducks. There's some big ones coming here, look. That's a big goose there, goose. Lots of pigeons as well. I like that though, all them ducks sitting down, laying down there, sunbathing. I think I'd do that if I was a duck. And where's Mr. Goose going to go? Here we are, Belper River Gardens, yeah. Lots of birds, pigeons. What we got over here? I've got the drone, so hopefully I can get the drone up in a little while. But one place I've never been to is right at the end where these people are on the building. There's a cafe up here somewhere. Now I've got the scooter, we can go up here, can't we? Battery level good, yeah, good. Lots of birds talking, isn't there? Oh, pigeon. There's a goose there. You can see the goose, look. Hello, Mr. Pigeon. Yeah, look up here, look. All them gooses, look, wow. It's like a jet plane coming to land, isn't it? If we go up here, what have you got up here? We can't go too far, because it's a dead end, I think. Now this pontoon here is where you hire some white swans. They're like boats, just rowing boats in the summer, but he's got none here today. Look back that way, that's Strutts North Mill where we've just come from. I'll try and get the drone up later on. We keep going up here, shall we? Yeah, right, okay. Just as I thought, it's a dead end, this Belper River Gardens play area. So we go back the way we come, shall we? There's a cafe over there. We go back towards the north, Strutts North, what's it called? North Cotton Mill. Strutts North Mill, yeah. There's a bandstand around here somewhere. We go and find a bandstand. But nice views though, haven't they, and houses. I'll find somewhere to put David drone up, maybe around the other side of that building. Dog's still barking. grandstand over there. Yeah, Strutts North Mill. It's empty inside. So we'll go and investigate, shall we? Let's go and explore that a bit closer from up here. I'll catch you in a minute, folks. 1912 that was built, apparently it's over 100 years old. Can we get down there or not? I don't know. It's quite tall, about 7 floors there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stories high. Can you imagine that in the old days? With all the cotton mills going around. Must have been a noisy old job in here. There's a slope down here. I don't know if I can get down that slope or not. We'll have a look.